Hello everyone and welcome back to the McCall's baking channel. Today we are going to teach you how to make a festive, fun, and easy gingerbread house. Gingerbread houses have been a holiday tradition for decades and they are a great activity for you and your family to do together. Everyone loves to decorate a gingerbread house. Of course, eating it afterward is also part of the fun. In Sweden, it is said that if you place a piece of gingerbread in your hands, make a wish, and then eat the gingerbread, your wish will come true. So watch our video and make a perfect little house, then break off a piece and make a wish. Grab a McCall's 9-inch gingerbread house set, some McCall's royal icing, a 16-inch plastic piping bag, a piping tip coupler, and an Ateco No. 10 pastry tip. Gather your assorted candies and chocolates for decorating the house. We are using candy canes, jelly beans, sprinkles, pretzels, and some festive royal icing decorations. Grab red, gold, white, and green McCall's Sixlet candy balls and some yellow pearl candies. Red and green McCall's sprinkles and red McCall's Easy Melt wafers will also be needed to make a beautiful gingerbread house. Place your gingerbread house pieces on a clean tray along with some candy canes and pretzels. Have some of McCall's red candy melts melted in a bowl and get a 2-inch pastry brush ready to help apply the melted chocolate. Use the paintbrush to spread the McCall's red chocolate evenly across the front of the gingerbread house. It's almost as if you're actually painting a real house, but way more delicious. Once the gingerbread is coated in red chocolate, place a royal icing wreath above the door of the house, pressing gently so it sticks into the chocolate. Press a candy cane into the side of the house and add some of the colored Sixlet candy balls to the front as well. Sprinkle some sprinkles over the gingerbread, working quickly while the chocolate is still soft and wet. Paint the door of the house red as well and press a small candy ball into the side of the doorknob. Grab your piping bag that is filled with McCall's royal icing and pipe a little icing on the backs of each candy cane and lattice pretzels. Press them into the gingerbread panels, making the pretzels look like open window panes. Royal icing acts like the glue and will make sure that all of your decorations stick to your house. But royal icing is definitely the best tasting glue out there. Pipe some royal icing on the back of the 2 remaining large candy canes and stick them to the back of the house. Set your decorated gingerbread aside to dry. Grab a 12-inch square cake board and pipe a large dollop of royal icing on the board. Spread the royal icing over the board evenly. The royal icing will look like snow under the house and also help stick the house to the board, holding it upright and safe. Grab your decorated gingerbread house panels and add any last-minute decorations you'd like. Use your piping bag of royal icing to pipe around the 2 edges of the gingerbread house panels. You really want to cover the edges completely in icing, making sure they stick together well. Remember, royal icing is the glue for our house. Put some royal icing on the bottom and sides of the house panels as well. Press the 2 gingerbread panels onto the royal icing covered board, connecting them at a 90-degree angle. Add some extra royal icing at the seam and bottom edge to really hold the panels together. Pipe royal icing around the edges of the front of the gingerbread panel and stick it to the board as well. Add more royal icing around the inside edges again. Stick the last side on with royal icing, completing the frame of the house. Add some extra royal icing all around the house to secure the gingerbread. Pipe some royal icing on the roof line of the house. Attach the door. Line the roof panels with royal icing and then gently attach them to the house. Add a squiggle of icing across the top seam. Grab some gumdrops, jelly beans, and chocolate balls and use them to decorate the roof. Stick a plastic lamppost into the gumdrops and place it back on the house. Pipe a few royal icing dots on the roof and attach some more chocolate candies. Get creative with your decorations. You really can't go wrong. Did you know that there are hundreds of gingerbread decorating contests held every year around the world? Maybe you could win. Add some extra royal icing around the house to look like snow. More icing is not only pretty and tasty, but it will also help hold your house together as it dries. The more the better. Drip some of the roof line to look like pretty icicles. Sprinkle some small red, white, and green sprinkles over the house as a finishing touch. Don't forget to put the Santa sleigh on top of the house. Our McCall's Santa and Reindeer set is the perfect finishing touch. If you want to make this adorable gingerbread house, you can find the complete directions and supply list at McCalls.ca. If you loved this video and build your own house, use #LoveMcCalls to get featured. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well for more exciting baking and pastry ideas. As always, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, give us a thumbs up and a like, and we will see you next week with a new video.